In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom funnel reports in Hubspot. To get started, log into your Hubspot account, then go to Reporting and click on Reports. Once you're on the Reports page, click on Create Report, then click Create Report again. Here, you'll see different templates you can choose from. Look for the Funnel Report template and click on it, then click Next. This will open the Report Builder. Now choose your primary data source and select the first stage of your funnel. For example, you can choose Opportunities as the first stage, then click Next. HubSpot will now generate your funnel report based on the stages you selected. You can customize it further by adjusting the stages, filters, and date range. Once you're happy with the report, save it and add it to your dashboard. That's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.